Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I'll walk you through the basics of playing destroyers in World of Warships. Destroyers are very fast, stealthy, and deadly, but very fragile. First, use your concealment. Go to our equipment here. We have smoke generator. Your biggest advantage is being hard to spot. Stay hidden, avoid open water early, and don't rush into enemy fire. Second, spot for your team. One of your main jobs is vision. Sail ahead carefully and keep enemies spotted without getting detected yourself. Third, use your torpedoes wisely. Don't just spam them randomly. Predict enemy movement, aim at choke points, and launch torps where ships are likely to turn or slow down. Fourth, pick your fights. Avoid cruisers with radar and ships with strong hydro. If radar is active, back off immediately. Fifth, use your smoke properly. Smoke is for escaping danger, farming damage safely, and helping teammates. Don't sit still too long in smoke. Torpedoes and blind fire can still hit you. Sixth, gunfighting basics. Only take gunfights you can win. Use speed and maneuvering to dodge shells and disengage when needed. Seventh, play objectives. Capture points, contest caps, and force the enemy to react to you. Finally, stay alive. A living destroyer is more valuable than high damage numbers. That's it. Play smart, stay hidden, and control the map to win games as a destroyer in World of Warships.